Hi, I'm Ray and this is Gardening Online. Today we're off to go to the garden nursery. Still not got some potatoes. I wanted to get a few random different potatoes and we wanted to get those out chitting and get them going. So first job today, we've done the Zoom lessons this morning on a Saturday morning. So now we're off to the nursery to have a look and see what potatoes we can get and if there's anything else that we can buy. So let's go and have a look and see what they've got. We're back home and we're just in the garden and we're just going to sort out our potatoes. So I've just got these mushroom trays. I'm just screwing up a bit of newspaper just to put at the bottom. So I'm going to show you what potatoes we've got. So the first potatoes we have is Cara. And these are the ones we bought from B&Q, and this was £2.50 for £1 kilogram. And we've got not many potatoes, there's a few, so I'm just sticking them in the trays. And I posted a video about chitting potatoes. So have a look and see what we do to chit the potatoes. But this is the Cara, and it says Cara is easy to grow, a heavy cropping variety with good disease. So that's the Cara, and it's the main crop, and these are the B&Q ones. So they're in there. The next ones we got is another one from B&Q, and these were the Jazzies. Steam 'em, roast 'em, boil 'em, sea potatoes. It says the award-winning salad potatoes, perfect in containers or in open ground. So these are slightly longer than the Cara that we have just put in the trays. So I've just let to put the netting in between so we don't get muddled up. But they do look different So we're looking at the eyes. We've got a lot more potatoes in this 1 kilogram bag of jazzies than we have with the Karas. They're slightly smaller, so we're just going through this packet, and there we go, a few more. Quick job. It's quite cold today in the garden, no snow, no frost, but there's a -1 on the old temperature gauge on the car, so it's quite chilly. So that's the jazzy. The other potatoes that we got from B&Q were Swift, and they were on the chitting video that we made in the allotment, and they are still at the allotment in the shed. They're in the light, but they're in the shed, so I haven't got them down here. But this jazzy has given me quite a few seed potatoes, and yeah, award-winning solid potato, perfect in patio containers or in open ground, and is high yielding with superb flavour. So that's the 2 trays of Kara and jazzy, and I like the sound of Kara. I've seen quite a few people mention Kara, and I wanted to get some of those in. That was £4 for, what does it say? £4, doesn't say the weight. £4, didn't say the weight. It's quite a big bag though. So that's those. Also, from the nursery, we bought a few bags. So the first one we got is pink fir. I've seen a lot of people mention pink fir, and these are quite long, thin potatoes, and we wanted to get some pink fir in. So we bought, I think we bought 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. We bought 9 pink firs, as we could just pick these individually. The next one we bought was Sarpo Mira, and we hear quite a lot about Sarpo Mira and producing good crops, and they're a bit bigger than the pink fir. So I'm just making a small section, and we bought 4 pink firs, 4 Sarpo Mira. And the good thing about buying these from the nursery is you could buy as many as you like, and all the nursery ones that we bought cost me £2.70, so that was quite good. So pink fir, Sarpo Mira, and I'm going to make another section for the next lot, which is Charlotte. Last year we did Charlotte. Really liked the Charlotte. It was really good. We did this in the no dig bed and was really good, and pots and containers also come out really good. And after I bought all the B&Q ones, I was a bit annoyed that I didn't actually buy any Charlottes, because I felt I was going to be losing out on the Charlottes. So I ended up buying some Charlottes too. So these are already looking quite good. So we bought 2, 4, 6, 8. So we bought 8 Charlottes. So that's the potatoes that we got from the garden nursery, and I do like supporting the local nurseries, and I really do think that's a good idea. Also, while I was in the nursery, they had some shallots. They're growing some shallots from seed, but they had some already bulbed. So I thought I'd buy some of these, and we've got quite a few in the packet if we can see that, and that would be great. So apart from the Swift that we've got at the allotment, that was first early Swift, and that cost £2.50. That's most of the potatoes that we've got, but I have got one more batch of potatoes that we're going to put in this tray here, and this is for a challenge, and the challenge is Erica's little Welsh garden. Her challenge was to grow some potatoes from shop bought potatoes, and she bought 1.5 kilogram of potatoes from Lidl for very little money at Christmas, and I've been trying to sort and find out a similar potato that Erica had, to check out her channel, Erica's Little Welsh Garden. But while I was in my co-op, we got some free buckets, but also there were some potatoes on clearance, so I thought I was getting a good deal. These were 74p a bag. These bags are 750 grams, so if my maths is right, 2 750s make 1.5 kilograms. And I thought, oh great, getting a bargain, 74p each. And then I noticed this, £1. Didn't really get that much of a bargain, did I? Well anyway, these are variety Jimson, and the county they were grown in was Berwickshire, and grown by Philip Kingsmill, so in the UK. Good source of fibre at home, best kept in the fridge. They've been in the car, so it's been cold enough in there, and they're good. Can't read that one. Boil or steam, brilliant with any meal. Boil in 15 minutes, steam 15 minutes, microwave 7 minutes. So this is my challenge for Erica's Little Welsh Garden. Please check out our channel, and I'll add a link above and I'll link below of our challenge. So this is my 1.5 kilogram bags, and these are what I'll grow, and I'm going to grow these. I haven't decided how I'm going to grow these, in what way, in what form. It won't be in the ground. It will be either a bucket or container, or might else be something different. But that's the potatoes we got for Erica's Little Welsh Garden Potato Challenge. So I'm looking forward to joining in with the challenge, and yeah, going to work out a way of growing a good yield of potatoes from those. So don't look too bad, just looking at some of them, looking a bit ropey, but they should be okay. So now all my potatoes are going to go into the shed by the window, get some light away from the frost, and then we can grow them on further on when it gets a bit warmer. So thank you very much for watching, and this is all my potatoes for this year, and we look forward to a great harvest. Watch me drop them. So thank you very much, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell. We've had a lot of new subscribers and it's really encouraging, and please join my Facebook group, and that would be really appreciative. Gardening Online on Facebook, that would be great, and you can see how these potatoes and other projects and experiments I do come along. So thank you very much for now. Let me know what potatoes you're growing, and if you're growing any of these, and whether you've done any of these in the past, and whether you've had good success or not. But I'm really looking forward to growing some different variety potatoes. So thank you very much. Cheers.